organizing this important event. In the last 25 years, we have come a long way.
I'd like to take this opportunity to express our sincere congratulations to the 25th anniversary of the G-77 Vienna Chapter. G-77 is a united front formed by developing countries.
And the G-77 has been a pioneer and key supporter of South-South and triangular cooperation, knowledge exchange and sharing best practices for common benefit. UNIDO can proudly point to many concrete results from our excellent cooperation with G-77 countries and China.
This has been possible thanks to the collective efforts of the generations of diplomats in developing countries who have served in Vienna over the years. Our task in Vienna has assumed ever greater relevance today as developing countries grapple with multiple interrelated challenges such as climate change, pandemics, drug trafficking, organized crime, as well as energy, food insecurity. The international organizations
Thank you very much. We're offered a simple tea from G-77. Coffee here, please.
My colleague